Jai Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So anybody who is wise, this also class continues in the fear. This word is fear. Bhagavatam also says, Samashita ye padapallava pravam mahat padam purna yashomanaya bhavam udi vasa padam 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 yata vibadam nadesham. Every step there is danger in this world. The very body we are sitting in, it is so fragile. And whatever we see in this world, nothing can hold. Everything is slipping off. It's like compared like an ocean where everything drowns in eventually. So, in Bhagavad Gita also, it is said, Krishna therefore, in Bhagavad Gita analyzes that even Brahma, who has such a fantastic life, dies one day. Ah Brahma bhuvanaloka punar avartino arjuna mam upetya tu kaunteya punardhamma. Krishna says, come to my abode. Yesterday we were trying to analyze and appreciate and understand that everything is wonderful. Death is also wonderful in the sense that it makes us. So that is how a devotee takes it. Therefore, devotee doesn't have any fear. He knows even if the toughest reverse of the condition that has come, that is fine. It's like Chitraketu, when Mother Durga cursed him, or say Parvati cursed him to same personality, cursed him to become a Rakshasa. He just paid obeisance and swapped it. Now it is the reversal. He worked so hard for tapasya, correct, under the guidance of Narada, and he became a powerful personality traveling across the universe in the play. And now from that elevated condition in this material world, he has become a Rakshasa. Correct? He became Vritasura. Chitraketu became Vritasura. So it's a reversal. But he did not mind at all. He was quite paid obeisance to Parvati. In fact, at that point, Lord Shiva says, these are the devotees of Narayana Parasarate, Nakutasan Vihiyati. What they are scared of. Swarga Apavarga Narkeshu Apitulyartha Darshina. Swarga Narka, there is no difference for them. So now this condition is advanced consciousness. We are not in this condition. As neophyte devotees, we are in little reversal, we get tensed up. We cannot understand the difficulty in our life is auspicious. We only look auspiciousness because we are fools. We have our own plans in this world, crazy plans in this temporary world where we are certain to die. So there, when Krishna does something, so that every move Krishna makes on anybody, it is auspicious. There are some people who have this slogan. What is the slogan they have, people? That jo bhi hua acha hua. But they don't have knowledge. Why they are speaking is not easy to say. Gita Sar, they put in many shops, Marwadi. Jo hua acha hua, jo hoga acha hua. Wo to theek hai. But how? Because Krishna is involved in it. Generally these people are, sometimes some people are atheistic also. No. Krishna is there. He is in control. So any condition has come, positive or reverse, it is auspicious. Okay, you are desiring something, even in the service of the Lord, Krishna does not sanction it. Peaceful. Rather, continue with whole heart to continue to offer service to Krishna and try to improve. Suppose for the mission of spreading Krishna consciousness, you want to do something, there is a reversal. Krishna doesn't want that to happen. Prabhupada tried for 30 years to 70 years, 40 years. He was in Jhansi. He got a place and he started a big bungalow, government bungalow, and they were engaging and they applied for sanction that this can be allotted. But the time of sanction came. The governor's wife said, no, it should not be allotted for Krishna consciousness. We ladies want to have some kitty party, social gathering, it should be allotted for that. And the governor allotted it to his wife function. It was allotted for a social function, kitty parties. Just like in Bangalore also we have some ladies club, the light also. It was allotted like that. Reversal, isn't it reversal? League of devotees are formed, one person got initiated also that time, some home, he has left his home, everything, chalo some home, everything smashed. No problem. No problem. Prabhupada's peace. Continued with a redoubled energy. Does not matter. It is Krishna's will. So we cannot, in our life, we should know Krishna's don't break head against the wall. We try, always we try, it's not that now we'll walk in the middle of the road. Now Krishna is in control. Whatever happens. No. We take as much care as possible. We have to do service carefully. Maintain our body well. We take due care, everything that we are doing. But sometimes Krishna's will is there, thing is not sanctioned. Rather a devotee should take. If it is a personal ambition, then forget it. Because that is only controlled by karma. There is nothing else involved in it. But when you are trying to do something for Krishna's service and it does not sanction that point, rather devotee can say, this is not the time, for whatever reason. And as a humble devotee, he can always take it. Maybe I was not qualified. And Krishna, I may feel, we all feel we are qualified for whatever we want to do. Ask anybody, you want to be president of America? Yes, I am ready. Somebody asked this new fellow in Karnataka before he became chief minister. We heard that your name has been proposed to become chief minister. Who would you like to become chief minister? You know what he answered? Who would not like to become? Who would not like to become? So this is the way it is. Yudhishthira Maharaj did not think like that. Yudhishthira Maharaj, when opportunity came to come to the throne after the war, he says, no, I have done so much sins. I am no way. I am fit to go to hell for millions of years, not to sit on the throne. But he was ordered by Krishna, then by Vedavyasa, after by Bhishma, and then he took the throne. You see that? He did not jump on the throne. There was a joke about somebody, the Guru departed and the disciples were waiting to jump on the throne of the Guru. That's bogus. That's bogus. Where is the order? Disciple always feels completely unauthorized to do anything on behalf of the Lord or the spiritual master. When Bhaksada Prabhupada was sitting on a Vyasasana and his Guru Puja was going on, somebody told, he could see some people are looking in a strange way. Acharya question. He said, I am sitting here on the order of my spiritual master. On the order of my spiritual master. And one dust on his lotus feet can deliver the whole universe, not an ordinary spiritual master. I am sitting here on his order. So that was a role or a mood a devotee has. Prabhupada was always preaching, I am being ordered by my spiritual master to do this. Correct? But I have no qualification. So many times Prabhupada said, I have no qualification. Now this kind of an attitude will actually fix us in devotion service transparently and really empower. The moment we are in our own trip, I am qualified, I am fine, then Krishna is worried. Just like a father is very worried. The child feels, no, Papa, it's right. I want to have a car. To the young boy, 10-year-old, I want to have a car. It's all right. I feel I can drive. So many children can drive the car. It's not a big deal. And they start running around the city. The father of the government feels, no way. Below 18 years, you're not going to give him a car. He's still not ready. He's too immature. Okay. So in the same way, Krishna, we may feel we are qualified for a certain devotion service. Krishna may not feel. So devotee, if a reverse comes, he takes it in a very, that's how Krishna only gave. Sometimes Krishna gives money, Krishna takes also. Krishna only gave, Krishna has taken. Devotee is very peaceful, nothing belongs to him. So in this way, this is the Prabhupada is saying here, even one Rudra in this purport is scared of another Rudra. Because Lord Shiva is saying everybody is scared of Rudra because Rudra destroys. And everybody in this world is trying to make a permanent settlement. But Rudra, as an agent of the Lord, comes and destroys everybody. Destruction in the hand of Rudra. But he is not all powerful. He has been given the power by the Lord. It comes for destruction. Like Brahma is empowered for creation. Brahma is also not the original creator. So now Rudra gets the power from Sankarsana, one of the forms of Lord Vishnu. So when so one Shiva, Rudra is different, is scared of another Rudra. But a devotee is not scared of one Rudra. When this starts happening in our life, we have taken shelter of the Lord. We feel, this is not a utopian idea. Devotee, what is it said in the Kaunteya Pratijani, Nami Bhakta, Pranashanti, Arjuna, go and declare. What? My devotee will not perish. He has developed faith. Avashya Raksive, Krishna. Krishna will certainly protect me. Now this attitude when develops in a devotee, he is firmly situated. He is not happy. Yes. And in any reverse condition also, even the topmost reverse condition may come, most painful condition may come, still he remembers that I like to serve Krishna. That does not go away. With Hridavak Manavi, with body, mind, heart, words, is still trying to serve Krishna and offering obeisances to Krishna, even in the most reverse condition which is possible. Such a person, becomes a candidate. He is now understood. He has faith in Krishna. Like Radharani also says, what he says, Ashishya va padaratam pinashtama vadarshanam paramahtam karoduva yatadadha vadadadha pato padaprananadana to say, do whatever you want. You kick me or you embrace me, you disappear or you come in front of me, you remain the Lord of my heart. This is what is actually, Uddhava was considered one of the topmost devotees of Krishna in Dwarka. When Krishna went and sent him to Vrindavan with a letter for the gopis, you could see Krishna had not seen them for years. But the kind of meditation and the devotion they have to Krishna is unimaginable. Right? Krishna had not seen us so many years. That shows, that is how Krishna showed, look, this is my devotee. Prahlad Maharaj was tortured whole life, no problem. He remained a devotee of Krishna. We also have the instance of Ambarish Maharaj. He was also, Durvasa Muni tried to attack him. He was peaceful. Peaceful at the lotus feet of Krishna. Krishna, I did my duty. This person is angry at me. Whatever you wish, let it happen. Peaceful. Durvasa Muni, we know that, we had discussed this previously. Durvasa Muni ran everywhere. He went to Brahma, he went to Lord Shiva, he went everywhere trying to hide also. Devotee is peaceful. Okay, what about Krishna? He has no fear. Devotee is fear. Vidaraga, Bhaya. These are the qualities of the devotee. And it was very peaceful. No attachment, no anger, no fear. Why? Manumaya Mahapashi. It's completely taken shelter of Krishna. Baho Jnana. How is that? Jnana Tapasa. He has cultivated Jnana and completely Tapasya. Mudamana Mahapashi. Being purified. He has attained spiritual nature. On a spiritual platform. How do we know we have a spiritual platform? There is no attachment, there is no fear, there is no anger. That means symptoms that we are going through spiritual platform. There is attachment, there is anger, there is fear, there is still a spiritual platform. We are still not coming to spiritual. Srila Prabhupada ki